Carolina Reaper challenge, similar to the last clips we did it. Cue a clip.
It's too hot. It's too hot.
Oh my gosh.
I got so many seeds
I'm doing a Russian twist.
in my mouth.
So this time it's we're all gonna eat the full.
It's entirely possible that
What's up, fellas? We're doing the Carolina Reaper challenge again.
Last time was a major failure with recording, and we didn't eat the full thing. We just kept eating slices.
Yeah.
But today we're gonna be eating the full. I mean, we're not gonna be swallowing it because it's not worth shitting our pants on.
We don't each want to experience the spice twice.
through our rectum. So we're just chewing it up for, I don't know, 30 seconds to make sure all the spices in our face and our mouth and our throat, and then
Yeah, so we'll plop it in and
spitting it out.
get active. Yeah.
We also got the hot death pickles that have been soaked in Carolina Reaper sauce. I'm low-key about to warm up with one of these fucking things, bro. Because these things are hot as shit.
I'm gonna steal yours.
Chill, bro. Shit.
Why not warm up?
So yeah, I've made these in my kitchen. Literally just chop the Reaper up and fucking put some mini cucumbers in there. Pickling spice and other secret ingredients.
They're definitely hot as fuck. I'll tell you that. I just farted.
Not as near hot as what we're about to endure.
Yeah, if y'all don't know, Carolina Reaper is the second hottest pepper behind, what is it, the X pepper or some shit? Project X pepper?
Yeah, I'm not sure the exact Scovilles on the X, but the Carolina Reaper is like 2 to 2.5 million Scoville, which is fucking insane, bro.
Yeah, I got the fucking drool mug on standby, because last time I was drooling my ass off, and my shit went, I'm already hot, bro.
My forehead's already warm.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna need to take this shit off.
Oh, I can get the fan from the gym.
Don't need it.
Don't need it. Grown ass man.
It's not gonna even do anything.
Here, just turn it on in there.
Alright, let's get active.
Alright, so I think the only way that we can really do this is just to count down from 5.
Wait, hold up. One last thing though. The challenge we're trying to do here is we're trying to not like react. We're trying to sit here straight face.
Forgot, yeah.
Straight face, look at the camera. And I mean there's not really like a penalty if someone loses because we're eating this fucking bullshit, but
We're making it interesting for you
Yeah.
fucks.
basically
We're gonna try to
enjoy
not
us
make a face.
dying. Alright.
The only face we'll make is when we
Dude,
spit
this shit
it
is
out.
so intimidating, bro. I don't know if y'all can see this dumbass shit. It's got like a fucking scorpion tail on it, you know?
They're so wrinkly and oily and fucking red that it's just like, wow.
The pickles already got me dying, dude.
Alright, so I guess only way to go is down the hatch. 5, 4, 3,
Cue the
2.
music, guys.
1. Cheers, fellas. Okay. How long are we about to do it? Just in case. better at this every time, but a little bit every time.
How's it going, buddy?
I probably made a face. I probably made a face. Y'all can be the judges. Be the judge.
I definitely made a face. I definitely made a face.
Who made a face first? Comment down below.
It's in now. It's starting to really go now.
Yeah. I'd say if I were to compare it to pain, it's like if you're to take a hot coal from a fire and just like swish it in your mouth for like 10 to 15 minutes.
I would probably compare it
Seconds.
more to like consciously stuff like activating your funny bone. That's more what I would compare it to, because it's so controllable.
It just gets like your whole like your
Systems.
it gets everything working at the same time. It's just weird. Like I feel like my chest is like hot as well. My lungs are hot. My nose is hot. My tongue is hot. My eyes are hot. Woo! This is no joke. Woo! Light no reaction.
Bicep over fucking tricep.
Woo! Oh, you know what these things are real. I would say it's really hot.
Yeah, I would say it's hot.
It's obviously it's really hot. If I had to rank it, the hottest thing I've had,
Number one. Definitely
I'd say number 2, because last time was hotter. So I think what I need to do here, the only reasonable thing I can think of is take some more. Are you taking some with me or no?
Funny guy, I'm not doing that bullshit.
But I'm taking half. I'm not taking full.
You're bugging.
Look at the seeds in that shit. I don't know if y'all can see, but there is just straight seed village in there.
I've definitely just inhaled a seed. You guys can do fucking anything you put your mind to. It's a fucking Carolina Reaper, not a fucking hatch. Life is so similar to GTA. It's all in the player's perspective, how they want to play the game.
Trying to go pickle for pickle.
But
Fucking shit, dude. My tongue is currently numb.
Keep going. Pickles.
Yeah. I need to get my bearings straight, bro. It's hot as fuck.
My nose is fucking running, bro. I cannot breathe.
Yeah, but my lungs are hot. I've inhaled. I can't see my eyes. My eyes are hot. My tongue is hot.
My cheeks.
In a weird way. I kind of fuck with the pain of like.
Start eating pickles.
You're just sounding your ass up for a fucking explosion.
Woo! Saw the thing.
I think that's the mistake I made last time was eating too many of those.
You're due for 8 pickles. 8.
8.
Yep, 8.
Alright, I'll add a fucking Carolina Reaper slice that. I can't stop drooling.
Wait, seriously. Off the rim of the trash can.
Damn, I can't get one. There we go. Try to get a fat one. We'll do the double combo.
The seaweed, not the seaweed.
Ew.
We the dill too. This is 8. 8. Wait, you got 8?
Woo!
What?
Gotta eat the rest of it.
Finish it.
Fuck.
Dude, my head is so wet.
It just keeps getting hotter and hotter in my throat. Oh, the more pickles I eat, it's like a thermostat. Ew, bro, ew.
Don't try this at home unless you want to.
The next step is gonna be the X pepper.
Pepper X.
The X pepper X. Next up is pepper X.
Elon Musk.
with the hottest hot sauce we can get our hands on.
Oh yeah. So my neighbor grows exotic peppers, red nagas, Carolina Reapers, of course. I mean, ghost peppers, chocolate ghosts, everything. He makes this super hot sauce. We'll put some on top.
My lips are on fire. I feel like I stuck my lips.
0 pickles left. I hate all of them.
There's gotta be one left in here.
Nope.
These guys are in for a second burning, I can tell you that.
That
Yeah,
second
well-
burning will be tomorrow.
We'll keep you guys updated at 2 in the morning when I'm shitting my butthole open with Scoville flames.
Thank you guys for fucking being here because couldn't have done it we could have done it without you, but we fucking did it. We made sure you were here. Hit the follow. Come on,
My
hit the like button.
My butthole is gonna be like one of those propane powered handheld flamethrowers that you use to light a fire.
No lie.
That you click a button and it's just like that.
Hopefully not.
It's gonna be, I'm gonna be sitting there with my hands like these, praying to the Lord.
Getting naked on the toilet.
Socks are gonna be off. Sweat's gonna be dripping.
Hopefully
Everything's
not.
gonna be off.
Hopefully fucking not, yo.
Sphincter's gonna be on fire. I'll tell you what.
Hopefully,
I'm gonna be
hopefully fucking not.
I'm gonna be drinking milk up my ass. Matter of fact, cheers.
I'll take a swig of that. That's kind of tough. That shit actually tastes amazing. So in the future, you want the hot pickles. That was a mistake.
That was a mistake. Woo!
It tastes so good though. The flavor is actually 10 out of 10.
Bear, what are you tasting?
The fucking amazing flavor.
What flavor?
I don't know. It's like the sweetness of the fucking
Bro,
the sweetener I put
there's
in
no
there.
sweet.
Ain't nothing sweet.
There's
about
nothing sweet about it.
It's kind of sweet.
The last thing you want to do is get this shit in your lungs, I'll tell you that. I keep breathing it in, it's fucking, I'm breathing fire.
True.
I can
Turn into a Chinese dragon.
thank you all so much for watching. We hope to keep you guys entertained with another video featuring the X
Pepper X.
with sauce on it. And we'll swallow it. We'll swallow the whole pepper. We won't bitch out. We'll spit it out. We'll swallow it.
Austin's signing us up for that, but we'll see if this gets 40K likes. Maybe we'll do it. Signing off from the fucking X-Men. Yeah, give me right, Austin. Nah, let me get that shit on. Where's Lester?
Oh, it's currently the next day. My butthole feels like somebody took a torch and just fucking set it ablaze. My intestines are fucking shriveled right now. They feel like dried dates with capsaicin oil just glazed like